Hello dear students of class 8. We are going to start chapter 2 of your textbook physics. Okay, the second chapter is motion. Here we will counter about motion. Basically, for studying motion, we have to know about the concept of rest and what is the relation between motion and rest. Okay, so starting from the rest, okay, I am going to start this topic. The first point is rest. What is rest? Basically, a question arises in our mind. What it means rest? Okay, rest. An object is said to be at rest if it does not change its position without time and with respect to its immediate surroundings. Okay, means if I am saying that here in class lots of bench and desks present and they are not moving, okay, so we can say that it is in rest. Okay, if I am saying that this board is fixed, it is not been moving with respect to time pass, and okay, the wall present here. That's why we say that this board, green board, is in rest. Okay, the chair, trees, tower, etc., which we see around the surrounding is called as in rest. Trees present at your home in front of your gate will change its place. Is it moved from one place to another? No. That's why we can say that it is in rest. Tower, mobile tower in your house area is fixed. That it is not changing its place. That's why it is in rest. And best example of rest nowadays you are having with online classes, that is a tower, network. Without tower there is no network in your mobile, so tower will be the best example for you of rest. Okay, motion. Now come to the point, motion. An object is said to be motion if it changes its position with time and with respect to its immediate surroundings. Okay, for example, this board is my surroundings, my immediate surroundings. If I am present here and here is board, that's why my immediate surrounding is this green board. This green board is fixed, it is in rest. Just I am moving, just I am changing my position with respect to time. So from this immediate surrounding, I am thinking that I am moving forward and this board is leaving behind. That's why I am in motion, because I am changing my position. Okay, that's why I am in motion. For example, flying bird. Okay, you see, flying bird is the best example of motion. Motion of a football, when you kick, if you put the football and kick with your foot, definitely the motion you will still show the football is moving, changing its position. Okay, come to the point. Rest and motion are related terms. Related means they are related to each other. We cannot define rest absolutely. We cannot define motion absolutely, because I am in rest with respect to someone and I am in motion simultaneously with respect to someone. How, sir? You may ask it. Ki how you are rest with respect to someone and how you are in motion with respect to someone. Okay, come to the point. If I have taken this stick in my hand and this stick is in rest, you all are saying that it is in rest. But one of your friend, I sent to him on moon, and just he is looking from there and you are looking from earth, that you are saying that this stick is in rest. Since earth is moving, rotating on its axis, same as the friend, one of your friend who has on the moon, okay, he is looking from there and saying that the stick is just rotating with the earth. That's why at the same time I am in rest, means that stick is in rest, and for the same time I am in motion, the person who is on the moon saying that. One another example is you with some of your friends enter in the compartment of a train, okay, and now train starts moving from the platform, okay. From the window of the train you will find that something is leaving behind, means the platform, the stations, the post poles, etc. These all are leaving behind and you with the train moving forward. But at the same time, when you see to your friends sitting in the same compartment, you find that your position is not changing with respect to your friends. It means that a person who is outside the train saying you that you all are moving, while a person, a friend of you sitting with your compartment saying that you are in rest. So rest and motion are relative terms, okay. It is not an absolute word, okay. Come to the point, types of motion. Here we have to encounter many types of motion. First we come to the point, types of motion. Basically translatory motion. Translatory motion, a motion, a such type of motion in which every points of the object move through the same distance in the same time, okay. Same distance in the same time. For example, if I am moving this duster from this place in forward direction, each and every particles of this duster will move in forward direction with same distance in equal interval of time, okay. That's why this type of motion is called as translatory motion. Basically there are two types of translatory motion, that is a rectilinear motion and curvilinear motion. Rectilinear, it's this word rectilinear means a straight path, means a straight path. When an object moving on a straight path, moving on a straight line, that type of motion of the object is called as rectilinear motion. For example, a bullet is fired from the gun. The bullet will move in a straight line. It comes under the rectilinear motion. Next, the next point is curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motion, when a body is moving on a curved path, on a curved path, basically it seems like this, on a curved path. For example, in a racing car, a racing track, you find that some cars are moving and they are in a race, their tracks are curvilinear, then the cars will move on a curved path. That type of motion is called as curvilinear motion, okay. The motion of object on a curved path. Curved path means not straight, it is bending, okay. Next point is a circulatory motion. Circulatory motion means a body is rotating at a fixed point without changing its position. Motion of object about a fixed point along a circumference. For example, a motion of top. लट्टू आप लोग में चाहे, motion of top is a circulatory motion. Okay, Okay, motion of ceiling fans is a circulatory motion. Motion of a wall clock needle is a circulatory motion. Okay, this all comes under the circulatory motion. They are fixed at a particular point, and the other parts of this body moves in a along with its circumference. Okay. Now oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion, the to and fro or back and forth about its mean position. This type of body which moves on to and fro or back and forth, it is called as an oscillatory motion. For example, simple pendulum. You see that in simple pendulum, this is called bob. When the bob is bring to some height and released, it will go to extreme points and again return to its mean position. This back and forth motion is called as circulatory motion. Okay. Next point is vibratory motion. Vibratory motion. If you see some object, some of parts is in motion, that is in to and fro, while remaining parts is stationary. That type of motion of particles is called as what? Vibratory motion. For example, guitar. In guitar, when string is just moved from their mean position, the strings will move to and fro, while the remaining parts of the guitar will be stationary. Okay. Periodic motion. Such type of motion in which the object repeats its motion itself after a fixed time interval is called as periodic motion. Okay. For example, Earth rotating around Sun. After a fixed period of time, it will rotate again. Start rotating again. That comes under the periodic motion. Non-periodic motion. Motion of the object which is not repeats its motion in the fixed interval of time. Okay. For example, if you are playing, you play randomly. You not repeat the same thing again in a certain time interval. That is not periodic motion. For example, you are moving your car on a circular path with higher speed and lower speed. Okay, you take for one turn 1 hour, again the next turn in 20 minutes. This is not periodic motion. Though you are moving, you are rotating your car, you are moving the car on a circular path. Though you are just start rotating, the motion of the object in a fixed, repeating, but time taken is not fixed. That is a non-periodic motion. Okay. Next is a multiple motion. Multiple motion means a body is doing more than 2 motions at the same time. For example, it is doing rectilinear motion or rotatory motion, circular motion. Both are happening at the same time. When you cycle, the wheels of cycle will in the circular motion, that is rotatory motion, while the cycle, the whole parts of cycle moving in a straight line. Means when you bicycle your cycle, then you find that cycle is moving in a straight line, that is in a rectilinear motion, while the parts, its wheel is moving in a circular motion, circulatory motion. Okay, that type of combination of motion is called as multiple motion. Random motion. Random means achanak itself. Okay, so when you fly kites will move here and there due to the blow of air. Okay, so that motion of kite is called as random motion. Okay, come to the point. We have discussed the whole topics of types of motion. Okay, in next class we will go to the next topic. Okay, bye. Thank you.